If you believe it, say amen. No, amen, amen. Everything you put your hand go up. Your name go open doors.
Guys, so many people have been asking me if the coin promo sales is still on. If you want to know if the coin promo sales is still on, just stick to the end of this video. I'll be letting you know if the coin promo sales is still on. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please drop a comment in the comment section letting me know I am here. You're going to type I am new here and type the country in which you are watching me from, and after that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Perhaps you've gained something tangible at the end. Like and also share the video, my videos. I have many videos on my channel. You can share them to those that are in need of it. So alright, let's get straight to the video. First of all, guys, I want to appreciate you all for your consistent patronage. To those of you who came to my group, came to my DM, patronized coins from me, you patronized me, bought coins from different prices. I really appreciate you. Even those that gave me gifts. Oh, that you guys are too good. And to all my subscribers, you guys are making my channel progress. Like, you guys are subscribing. I don't even know where you guys are coming from. You guys are doing great. I really appreciate. I don't know how to say thank you, but I really appreciate what you guys are doing for me. Those who are liking, those who are subscribing, those who are sharing my videos, those who are referring me to people. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So guys, I just want to let you know that the coin promo sales is over. Yeah guys, it is over. I was selling coin at a cheaper rate for everyone. I was not even gaining up to like 100 naira on each coin sales, but I just did it as end of the promo sales, so to just appreciate you guys for your patronage. And funny enough, many of you showed up, many of you patronized me, which I'm grateful. And I just want to let you know that even though the promo coin sales is over, guys, the new price list is not higher than the promo in the initial promo list, because it's just like a little bit. Imagine I'm selling 17,200 coins for the 1,390, and I'm selling 17k coins now for 1,004 plus. It's not high, guys. So you guys know that you're still going to expect more from this coin sales. You can just DM me. I'll be dropping my link as usual, my WhatsApp group link in the description, and I'm also going to drop in my WhatsApp digit in the description. All you just need to do is to message me and you can join my group. Send the link to friends, let them come and join my group, come and purchase coin. The new price list is not high, it's just a little bit higher than the initial price for the promo price. Just like we are still continuing the promo sales, if you understand what I mean. So the promo sales is not actually over. Do you get? So if you have been purchasing coins from me, you can still DM me to purchase coins, because the coin I'm selling is still cheap. You can still get it at cheap rate from me. So that I just wanted to answer the question, because many people were asking me, hope the sales is still on, hope the sales is still on. I know you guys enjoyed it, but it is still on actually. So you can just DM me. I'll be giving you the price list and you can purchase coin. You can refer me to anybody who wants to get a coin. So guys, that's just it. I'll be seeing you in the next video. You can just take time to watch these other videos here in the end screen, and I'll be seeing you in my next video when I'll be answering your questions. Yeah, I'll be answering your questions. Guys, if you have been watching up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, tap on the notification bell, share this video. When you tap on notification bell, when you subscribe, you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I post new videos concerning or related to Popo. So guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video.